Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. Today is just a short little video, an easy peasy little recipe. I just wanted to share this one with you really quick. It's not going to take me that long to edit, so I can get it out to you guys pretty quickly, so I just wanted to share it. It is the Copycat Olive Garden Chicken Alfredo. It's very simple to make, so let me turn this down and we'll get started right away. All right, my friends, so I am trying for the first time the Olive Garden Chicken Alfredo. I am using this here, the Olive Garden Signature Italian dressing. I am only using half of this because I heard from different sources that it is a lot if you use the entire bottle, so I thought I would try it. I have half a bottle of that, 8 ounces. I have a quarter cup of the Parmesan cheese, and I have 8 ounces of the low-fat cream cheese on top, and then a quarter teaspoon of pepper. It's probably a little bit more pepper, I just kind of sprinkled it. So this is going to cook for about 4.5 hours, and then I'm going to cook some penne pasta and shred it and put it up over top of that. So I will let you guys know how this ends up turning out. Alright, my friends, so now I started to shred it before I realized I wanted to do a quick little video. The cream cheese was kind of melted a little bit and sitting on top, so I just kind of knocked it off. And the chicken is very, very tender, so you can see, so I'm just going to shred it with 2 of my forks. Oops, my camera's steaming up. And then I have the pasta, water boiling now. I'm going to cook the pasta and then mix it in here, and then we'll mix it all up and I'll show you what it looks like. You can see here I'm just taking the chicken and shredding it up in the pot like this, pulling it apart, just like that. Alright, my friends, I thought I was filming and then I realized that I wasn't. So I took the lid off, all my chicken has been now shredded, and then I just dumped in a pound of the penne pasta and stirred it up really well. And the whole time I'm talking away, and then I look up and realize I was not filming. So I mentioned when I thought I was filming, my friend told me that they added some peas to theirs, and I thought that sounded really good. However, nobody in my house would eat them but me, so I didn't add it. But I am going to add a little bit of parsley. It did not call for this, but I'm just putting a little bit in. And that is all it is to this dish. So we're going to plate this up and see. Now, it's not as juicy. You don't have a lot of sauce, I'm noticing. But that's because I cut it in half. So, we'll see. So let's get this plated up and I'll let you know what I think of it. Alright, I'm going to go try this, see what we think. Hopefully it's good. Find out. Alright, my friends, so my final review of this dish. It was not horrible. It was edible. I don't think I'll make it again. My hubby said the same thing. It just, I think I shredded the chicken. I probably should have left it more of chunks. I used a half a bottle instead of the whole bottle because I was hearing that it was very salty. And I feel like it was a little bit too dry by just using the half a bottle. Maybe my crock pot was just cooking at a higher temperature. I don't know. I thought it had a little bit, I could definitely tell it was a little salty, but it wasn't like too salty. But it was edible. I ate a plate. My husband ate a plate. My son had to run off to head out to soccer. He tried it. He was like, it's all right. I can eat it. But he was not. I won't be surprised if he comes home with Chick-fil-A or something after his game tonight. My other son has not tried it yet, but we weren't a big fan of it. So I just want to be honest with you about, these recipes that I am posting. Like I said, it was edible. My friend did mention about putting peas in there, and I think that would help too, to be honest with you. I think that might make a difference. And not shredding it. I think too, shredding it gave it a weird texture that we weren't crazy about as well. So with that all said, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Like I said, this was just a little quick one that I was putting together to share with you. It's something that we had for dinner tonight. So friends, thanks so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that little bell because it'll notify you every time I have a new video coming out. And don't forget to check out my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok social media sites. So friends, thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.